How to create a text spacing animation in After Effects. This is really simple to do. First you need to add text. Do the shortcut Ctrl T to use the type tool. Then you need to type the text what you want. You can set the text in the middle with a line and set a point of the anchor point in the middle. Next, expand the text layer to reveal the animate option. Click on the play icon and select tracking. From the menu to access diverse options for your text layer. Click the stopwatch icon next to the tracking amount to create a keyframe in the timeline. Move forward a bit and increase the amount of tracking to your desired value. When you play the animation now, it may seem like it doesn't look smooth. To make it better, hold and drag the mouse to select both keyframes and press F9 to make it easy ease. Open the graph and go to the edit speed graph. Make the graph look like mine. You can also do the same effect at the end, but in reverse, so like I do, and add some opacity for a very nice effect. You can by the way use the shortcut S for open the scale, and use shortcut T for open the opacity, and use the shortcut U for open the keyframes what you have used. And don't forget to set the motion blur on. There we go. Now you have created a very nice text spacing effect in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.